1,400 square meters.
Ano lagi na ibon dire sa among mama.
Ay, igsoon mo ni Mayor Bon?
Dagaw. Tanaw ani kay.
Apil ka sa mo pirma na eh.
Oo, apil na siya sir.
Pila mo igsoon man?
Kuan wadlaw.
Pirma lagi tanan.
Oo, naman diri tanan. Sir, kuan pa.
Tax deck.
Tax deck pa nila mas dami pa gani ang tax deck kay kuan diri.
And will you please try this? You sit down here and just try one. Show me the one.
Welcome to Panglao Island. This is the Napaling Point, where you can do free dive here. Special na Bohol Island is the free dive capital of the Philippines. So that's the area. Can also do scuba dive here. There used to be a, what do you call this? The cliff jump, but it's not anymore allowed now since there are corals down there. They're planting corals to offer more breeding areas for fishes, because they're trying to preserve this area because of the sardines. Kita kayong ano, Maribohok Bay, Maribohok. That's Cebu. Cebu there. Hi. For inquiries, please email me at amonforrealestate@gmail.com. Please also subscribe to my YouTube channel Cebu Bohol Homes and visit my webpage at www.amonforrealestate.blogspot.com.